Alright guys, Acid Alchemy. So this is a 2015 S60 Premier. It's not the 2015 and a half, but it's the 2015. I'll show you guys how to check the oil level in the car. So all you do is, you don't put your foot in the brake or anything. You just hold down the start button for 2 seconds. Maybe it's more like 3 seconds. So
System ready.
now you'll see the oil level is selectable, which is not, I believe right now we're in like maintenance mode or something like that. So you're actually able to check the oil level. There you go. Looks like we're good to go. Yeah, so supposedly it'll change from okay to low, I assume, or something like that. But looks like we're good right now. So yeah, and then all you do is show you what happens. So let's say we go to start the car now. You see how it just deactivated the oil levels. So I mean, even if you go to click the OK, nothing. So the only way to do it is, again, car off. I don't know if we'll be able to do it from this. Try it again.
Testing. System ready.
Yeah. So there you go. Easy peasy, guys. That's how you do it. No foot on the brake. Hold down the start stop button for 3 seconds until the car turns over, and that's it. Access the option, check your oil level. Enjoy, guys. Have a good day.